Have you ever noticed yawning is contagious? You see someone yawn, now you yawn too. Scientists think one big reason is empathy. Yawning helps us tune into others. When you feel what someone else feels, your brain's mirror neurons may copy small action, like a yawn. Studies show people who score higher or empathy tests are more likely to catch yawns. Another idea is the brain cooling hypothesis. Yawning may help cool the brain a little, and seeing someone else yawn triggers the same cooling reflex. Yawning contagion is stronger between close people, like family, friends, than stranger. Babies don't catch yawns until they are older, which fits the empathy idea. Social skills develop with age. So contagious, yawns are probably part social glue, part shared brain response. Weird, human, and kind of sweet.